Gatekeeper, this is Fortress. Say again. You're breaking up. Over.
Patrol north of Central Lake. Do not enter now. I say again, do not enter.
Son of a bitch.
Sir, I can try Morse code. Should get through clear.
No time. The destroyers on our tail won't pause and wait for us.
Orders, sir?
You're gonna fire up radar, sonar, and every single scanner you got. I need to know what the fuck we are sailing into.
It's the worst goddamn 3 hours of my life. That is exactly the ride home I was looking for.
There's the Valkyrie.
Yeah. Sailing right into a death trap. Hook up! Hook up!
Gonna be okay?
Raw Rabbit and MREs. Testing my steel. Son of a bitch! Check! Static! Live!
If you're gonna throw up, aim for the enemies on the ground.
Check! Equipment! Boots on fucking ground, Wrecker! Boots on fucking ground! Low drop! Stand by! Go! 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 I hate this shit!
Fortress, this is Tombstone 3. I say again, Fortress, this is Tombstone 3. How copy? Over.
You're going for the Valkyrie.
Any station this net. This is Fortress. Does anyone copy? We're being boarded. I say again, we're being boarded.
They're not gonna last long.
We can land on the deck. Aim for the deck.
You okay, Rek?
She's swarming with enemies! Clear it and push through! You come in, kid!
Watch your step! Get down! Watch out!
Shit! I hope Garrison was in there.
Watch out!
Shit! I hope Garrison wasn't in there. more level.
Irish. Remember when I told you about my village?
Yeah?
I'm just feeling that again.
Come on, Hannah, don't say that.
Right. Keep moving.
Eyes open. Hannah, left. I'll take the corridor. Keep looking.
Clear.
Drop it, motherfucker! Jesus, Rec. I almost shot you in the face again. You made it back. Tombstone's still alive.
Son of a bitch. We thought you were dead, buddy.
Yeah, man. Damn, after you guys left me,
Where's Jinjie? Is he okay?
you're still around. It's cool. Yes, Jinjie's safe. I'll take you to him.
Dr. Bukowski, what about the refugees?
Marines, you stay with them. I gotta get Tombstone to medbay.
On your lead, Sergeant.
Watch the corners.
Hey, Pac, what happened to Singapore? How'd you get out alive?
They had me fucked, and I got unfucked. Let's leave it at that.
Where'd you get such a potty mouth?
Literally crawling through 1,000 yards of shit with a hole in your stomach will do that.
Ain't getting any closer to hell than that, boy.
You with me, Rec? Synchronized attack. Open the door. Go, go, go!
Watch out!
他们有多少人？一定要消灭他们！我好像看到那边有情况，一定要干掉他们！
We're clear!
Sir, we are on our way. Tombstone is en route.
All right, make it fast.
Better late than never, squad. Come on, we gotta get him out of here.
Easy, you have been unconscious for several days. You shouldn't even be speaking.
My voice is my weapon. If I am silent, I am nothing.
我让你失望了，对不起。
不慌，你永远是我的后盾。They come for me. Cheng's men.
Look, take this. We need to get you out of
I
here.
have put down my guns, Captain. My brothers will not kill me.
Maybe I didn't make myself clear. Your brothers think you're already dead. You're a target, like us. An assignment. Search and destroy.
Then they have to see me. Know that I still breathe. They will forget their mission and lay down their arms.
So, we let him in and see what happens?
Yes.
That was a joke. Irish, Wrecker, cover the door.
I am serious. If we fight, it is over. I will open the door myself.
I can't let you do that. Now you listen to me. They'll kill you the second they get through. That door's the only thing keeping you alive.
It's such an extreme trauma. He shouldn't even be up. I mean, this is the concussion talking.
In this room, I am invisible.
Oh, Jesus.
I am dead already. We all are. If I cannot show my face, if I cannot speak to my brothers without fear, then I have lost. I need to know where I stand. Open the door, Sergeant. 喂，兄弟，你被骗了。如果你愿意听，我会告诉你事情。
Don't do it. Don't fucking do it.
郑姐活了，我们愿意死。郑姐活了，把枪放下。Stand down。郑姐活了，我们要告诉其他人，郑姐活了。哎，这是野火。对，郑姐活了，还在地毯上面。是真的，郑姐活了，郑姐活了。
Son of a bitch did it. But what now? There's still a lot of Chinese soldiers out there.
They know it's him. They'll get the word.